Hello guys, so most beginners don't know how to make cool transitions like big editors in Alight Motion? This pack is going to fix that thing. Today I will give you a transition pack which consists of 5 different transition to level up your edits. And last one is inspired by Fictic the Goat. So without wasting any time, let's start the preview. That's all for this pack. Complete the like aim of 20 likes to unlock the pack. Thanks for watching.